हे पाणलोटाबद्दल आम्हाला अजिबात काही माहीत नव्हते आणि वॉटर संस्था
We didn't know anything about watershed development,
या अद्याप काहीच
neither about water organization or social center.
ते बबन गुंजाळ येतं
But Babban Gunjale from our village, he's an engineer in the dam department.
बंधाऱ्यामध्ये
बबनराव गुंजाळ त्रिभुवनी साहेब
Babanrao Gunjal, Tribhuvan Sahib, Preeti Madam, all the people who work with the watershed project, they told us about it.
अशाने असा फायदा होईल तुमचा.
त्रिभुवन साहेब येत होते पहिल्यासून.
Tribhuvan Sahib used to visit us. Then Thorat Sahib came here and someone from abroad came too. Then there were quite a few meetings and they gave us all the information.
पाणलोट सुरू होण्यापूर्वी
Before watershed development started, around 50% of the people were going outside the village to look for work.
We used to go to Ahmednagar for sugarcane cutting and some women would go for work to other villages.
त्याच्या अगोदर आम्हाला काही 20 रुपये 25 रुपये.
Earlier we used to earn about 20 to 25 rupees per day. After this work began, it increased. Otherwise, in the village it was just 20 rupees.
20 रुपयेच होती गावामध्ये.
We faced quite a few problems.
There was no drinking water here, not even during this season.
दूर जावं लागत होतं 4-2 मीटर पाणी.
We had to walk about 4 kilometers to get water.
We had to get water tankers. Only then everybody got water.
मस्त अडचणी होत्या.
There were many problems. There was water shortage and very few orchards.
The crops were poor because of less rainfall.
Earlier, the water used to flow away as soon as it rained. Even the river used to dry up.
पाणीच नव्हतं त्याच्यामुळे शेतीकडे दुर्लक्ष.
Farms were neglected because of the water shortage.
Earlier, fodder was in shortage.
कमीच होत्या.
Yes, we had a shortage. Now we have plenty. We have cows, goats. Earlier we only had goats.
ज्या गावाला पाणलोट कंप्लीट झाला
The water organization took us to visit those villages where watershed work had been completed. Even though there had been no rain at all, we saw a check dam filled to the top with water. We felt that there are such sites in our village too. So people were convinced that this was something that would benefit us and that would bring about changes for our own good. That's how most people agreed to start it.
खर्चच चांगलं काम आहे, आपलाच फायदा होतोय. जरी प्रगती झाली तर आपलीच होती आणि त्याच्यामुळे लोक सगळे अगदी तयार झाले.
त्यावेळेला पूर्णपणे गाव एकत्र जमवलं.
We called the people, we held a general meeting in the village and decided to form a village watershed committee, the VWC, consisting of 15 members, 10 men and 5 women.
पैकी 10 पुरुष आणि 5 स्त्रिया.
आणि ग्रामसभेमध्ये
We announced in the village meeting that at least 20% of the work should be done through Shramdan, that is, voluntary work, and that the work could progress only if people followed the ban on cutting trees and grazing. And we also emphasized that there shouldn't be any division in the village.
आता श्रम
As for voluntary labor or Shramdan, some people said they are going to use us. It is not for the entire village. These people will reap the benefits. It is not for the organization. They will make the laborers do the work. So nobody came forward for the voluntary work.
उदाहरणार्थ एखाद्याला 10 एकर जमीन असली,
For example, those who had less land would come for Shramdan, but those with more land were reluctant to come and would therefore contribute less.
20 एकर 25 एकर जमिनीवाल्याचं ते कामावर येऊ शकत नव्हता आणि त्याचं श्रमदान मग कमी पडायचं.
The villagers told the big farmers that just as we are paid 50 rupees per day in watershed work, you should also pay us at the same rate. We would work your land too. Then it would be all right even to stop this work.
खूप मोठे शेतकरी आहेत.
One of the big farmers, he was not very happy about this Shramdan. He decided not to volunteer. He was firm about it.
आपण श्रमदान देणारच नाही आणि द्यायचंच नाही.
ते एकत्र येत नव्हते.
He was not ready to join us, but we managed to convince him. We said to him, "Why are you negating our decision? Doesn't the government work for us? If it's our mistake, we have to accept it and work more."
हे करा, करून घ्या.
पुढं आम्ही काय केलं की 15 दिवसाला 45 रुपये.
Later on, we decided that every big farmer had to pay 45 rupees every 15 days. After every round was over, they had to pay 45 rupees. We went around ourselves and collected this money and paid it to the laborers for their Shramdan.
मजुराला वाटून श्रमदान करायचं त्याचं.
मग ज्या वेळेला दुसऱ्या शेतीत
When the work on the other people's farms was completed and they got paid for it, the reluctant big farmers slowly got involved in the work. And little by little, they did the Shramdan or voluntary labor. And only then did we work on their farms.
काम केलं.
श्रमदान
People realized the importance of Shramdan. You spend only 20%, but about 80% of the money was spent on your own farm in return.
पुढं पुण्याची बातमी आहे. शहरातील शिक्षकांनाही आता
This is a news item from Pune. The teachers in the city will have to cook khichdi. Listen carefully. Under the breakfast scheme for schools, the state government has made it compulsory for the city's schools to serve khichdi to the students.
तांदळाची खिचडी शिजून देण्याची सक्ती राज्य शासनाने केलेली आहे.
नंतर श्रमदान करायचं कशा प्रकारे करायचं अशी एक
Then there were several opinions on how to do the Shramdan.
काढला.
People had suggestions.
पहिल्या
We decided that to begin with, we would work for 4 days. It is not easy for everyone to come together at the same time. So we decided that each one would do the voluntary work, Shramdan, according to their own convenience. The next question was where exactly to do the work, on whose farm. Everyone wanted it to be done on their own farm. Then we came up with an idea that this Shramdan should benefit the village as a whole and not any single individual.
ते श्रमदानाचा फायदा आपल्या गावासाठी झाला पाहिजे, वैयक्तिक शेतकऱ्यासाठी कोणालाही झाला नाही पाहिजे. मग असं ठिकाण कोणतं तरी निवडायचं.
We now had to find a suitable place. We finally decided on the well, from which the whole village gets its water. Just near it, there is a small canal which was choked with sediments, and so no water would collect there.
गाळाने भरलेला
We decided to clean it up.
त्याच्यात काय स्टोरी
We removed the sediment and created space in the canal. As soon as some water collected there, it percolated to the well, and the well began to fill up.
त्याचं स्टोरेज वाढलं आणि थोडं पाणी त्याचं साचल्याबरोबर विहिरीला पर्क्युलेशन झालं, विहिरीला पाणी आलं. नंतर ते
नंतर श्रमदानामध्ये आम्ही झाडं लावले.
Then all the women in the village planted trees in Shramdan. Just like there are trees along the road in the cities, the women said, since ours is a small village, why can't we do it ourselves? This road that you took, women did Shramdan on it.
स्वतः महिलांनीच खांदून श्रमदान म्हणून.
आणि जे महिला आली
And we fined 50 rupees to those who did not join. We really charged them. If someone still didn't join, we persisted and talked to her like a mother does to a daughter.
तशी तिची आई व्हावं लागत होता आधी.
ऐका, बचत गटातील सर्व महिला मंडळीने
Attention please. A meeting of the women's group will be held today at 9 o'clock in the morning. Preeti madam has come down to attend the meeting. All members of the savings groups are requested to come to the temple for the meeting as soon as possible.
लवकरात लवकर मीटिंगसाठी मंदिरामध्ये येण्याची कृपा करणे.
मग संयुक्त महिला समिती आम्ही अशी तयार केली का पूर्ण बचत गट 14 होते ना.
We formed the joint saving group in such a way that there were 14 saving groups. 2 women from each group joined, so we were 28 members. Then we selected 3 women as members of the Joint Women's Committee or the Samyukta Mahila Samiti. Then we opened an account in the bank. So if anyone wanted a loan, etc., they had to apply to the Joint Women's Committee asking for the loan. And they would decide together if the applicant was eligible.
का द्यायचं नाही या व्यक्तीला कर्ज. मग
आता कर्जाचं कसं आहे,
The way it functions is that it is given to a person who is able to pay back. If someone doesn't have the means to pay back, it's difficult. Who is going to take the responsibility?
त्या परत पूर्ण त्या
So the application had to be studied. Whether the woman would be able to pay back. What is her need for the cash? Or is she going to give it to her husband to buy liquor? She should be able to pay back the installment. So everyone took a decision together if the loan should be given to the applicant. And everyone would decide that, okay, this woman has a genuine need, so we should give her the loan. Are all members of the Mahila Samiti present? How many groups are represented here at the moment? We used to help solve the problem by giving to a woman in need.
बचत गट केल्याच्या नंतर
After we formed the saving group, we asked them for a loan. So we were given a loan of 6,000 rupees each. I paid back with my fisheries business. After that, I took a loan of 10,000 rupees. That too I paid back with the same business. Even if you give someone a loan right away, and if the monthly installment is not paid, it's a problem. Then they say that it's not your personal money. It's not mine, but it has to be paid back. If the installments are not paid on time, then we charge them 8% per month as a fine. The committee has paid the initial 2 installments in time, but there was a problem with the last 2 installments. All of us are taking the responsibility. We will come there and pay back your loan. We are not dependent on anyone.
पण आता असं एक म्हणतात ना कर्ज घे.
When someone asks for a loan, all of you, at least 5 women should go to their house. That's what I feel.
आज विषय काय हे बोला फक्त तुम्ही ठरवायचं आम्हाला काही अडचण नाही तुम्ही ठरवा
आता बचत गटामध्ये तर भरपूर येतात ना तक्रारी. तर बचत
In the savings group, there are several complaints.
वाजू नको. तर बचत गटामध्ये समजा काहींनी पैसे घेतले परत भरलेच नाही पैसे.
Some people take loan and don't pay back. They say they just don't have the money. Some people used to come drunk. They used foul language and would say that we shouldn't allow these women to step out of the house. You know, men have a different way of thinking. But the women said that it is our money and just pay it back. We never allowed the men to be part of the saving group. There are only women.
ह्या पुढे गेल्यानंतर म्हणजे पुरुषांचे वेगळेच हे असते. पण महिलांनी असं सांगितलं का आमचे पैसे आमचे द्या तुम्ही या नका येऊ. पण बचत गटामध्ये आम्ही पुरुषांना येऊनच देत नाही. सहसा म्हणजे सगळ्या महिलाच असतात.
अगोदर काय म्हणायचे झाल्या काय खरं आहे यांचं.
In the beginning, they would say, let it be, it's not going to work. These women have no work. They just go out at any time. They are inciting the women. But later, as we were more established, everyone began to feel the need to take loans. By and by, we had 16 groups.
आज आमचे ते गट
We started with 20 rupees. In last 6 years, our capital has reached 1 lakh rupees. Our women can take up all kinds of things. Private lending has completely vanished from our village.
आमच्या गावात बंद पडलेली सध्या. म्हणजे सावकाराकडे जायची गरजच भासत नाही. आता हे 2 रुपये टक्क्याने देतात आता.
We do not need to go to the money lender anymore, since we can get a loan at the rate of 2% per month. So we do not need to go to those who give it at a rate of 10% per month.
घरचे काम सगळे
All the housework, whether someone is due to deliver a child, or if someone's kid is ill, if there is a wedding in someone's family, or if someone is buying land, all sorts of expenditures. Our saving groups have given loans for all such things.
ठीक आहे मग मीटिंग संपली
All right, the meeting is over. Let us go. Are we supposed to bring more? Yes. Ask everyone to sign. Give it here.
सगळ्यांनी केला.
आता डोंगराला आपण जर सुरुवातीला वरून CCT केली.
If we start making CCDs from the top of the hill and we make stone bunds near the gully,
जिथं जिथं
We built small dams wherever we wanted to collect water.
when the water overflows, it comes down the hill and little by little it percolates.
The water that used to flow away is now absorbed in the soil.
Soil erosion stops. Otherwise, when the water overflows down at great speed, it washes away the soil. If you make stone bunds at various levels, the speed of the flow reduces.
एरीला पण
When we make dams in the upper region, the wells below have a good storage of water, so the water doesn't flow away.
When the water goes to the check dam, then it stays there for a year.
If you want to start some work, you have to consider the slope. Suppose we had begun from the bottom and went to the top, and when it rains, all the water will not get absorbed in the ground, and instead collect in the dams, which will then break.
असतं ना, हे फुटून गेलं असतं. मग अगोदर
But when you start from the top level, it gets collected at all the stages. According to the flow of the water, different stages were taken into consideration while building the structures. So it goes on collecting at various levels, right down to the village.
पूर्ण हे केलं.
सरकारी कार्यक्रमाला नाही ते
Government programs lack technical approach. They bring the water directly to the lake, make a canal bund there. They neglect the upper level. That is how it is in the government projects. There is no work done at upper level. And they make a lake at the lower level. Then the soil flows down with the water and fills the lake. and the water storage capacity of the lake decreases. The lake fills up with silt.
तो नुसतं गाळानेच भरून जातो.
14 फेब्रुवारी 1975.
14th February 1975, the novelist and the creator of the character called Jeeves, P.G. Woodhouse, dies.
आणि शेवटी 14 फेब्रुवारी
And finally, 14th February 2001, the government of India decides to sell its shares of Maruti Udyog Limited.
विकण्याचे ठरवले.
पाणलो आपल्या गावाचा
Once the watershed development program in a village was completed, all the accounts, for instance, how many nala bunds were built and how much they cost, how much was spent on 11 check weirs, how much did the 3 check dams cost, all such details were written on a board and displayed in public.
म्हणजे पूर्ण म्हणजे असं नाही का
The entire village was informed that the money was spent in this way, and we put up the charts of expenditure properly. If anyone came to the office, we were able to show them how money was spent. Nobody kept any secrets. Everything was open.
पीत कोणीच ठेवलं नाही, सगळ्यांनी सांगितलं. तसं केलं नसतं तर श्वासाचा ठराव आणला असता, काम नसतं झालं पूर्ण.
If we hadn't done that, there would not have been a sense of confidence. Our work wouldn't have got completed. Everyone would have accused each other. People who are doing work are treated with respect.
आणि सरकारी काम म्हणजे कधी कुठं
While with the government projects, nobody could tell how much money came in and how much was spent. No one in the village knew, not even the sarpanch. Because of that, the work was not done well and there was no unity among the people.
आणि लोकांची एकता नव्हती ना.
आता VWCचं काम असं आहे हो.
The work of the VWC, Village Watershed Committee, is to monitor all the work done so far. Every watershed site has to be visited, and if there is some breakage or any other problem, it has to be repaired.
तर त्याची दुरुस्ती करणे.
The VWC must also work to keep the village united and organize meetings regularly. Even though the project is over, we hold meetings every month. We are going to maintain the momentum we built up over the past 5 years. We are not going to let our efforts slacken.
त्याला कमी पडणार नाही.
चराईबंदी म्हणजे हा शब्द ह्या गावाला नव्हताच.
There was nothing like a ban on grazing in our village. The cattle used to graze on the hills. Even if the government planted some trees there, people continued to graze their cattle.
तर लोक जनावर नेऊन चारायचे.
Initially, people created many hurdles when we tried to ban grazing. People really gave us a lot of trouble.
लोक चारायचे गुरव.
People continued to graze their animals on the sly. So we appointed 2 persons to take care of it. We told them to keep a watch and inform us, so they would report to us. We already had members from different areas. Those members used to keep us informed during our meetings.
ते सदस्य आम्हाला घरी माहिती सांगायचे गावात मीटिंग आहे.
तर सगळ्यांनी
All of us thought about it. 15 of us from the committee held a meeting. We also held a meeting of the village council, Gram Sabha.
मीटिंगेतून सुद्धा सांगितलं.
In the meeting, we told them that if you continue to graze the cattle, we will fine you according to our rules.
आणि त्याला समजावून सांगितलं.
We explained to them that listen, if you alone ruin the work, the entire village is going to suffer. And if you're careful, it will benefit the entire village. So please, don't do this.
त्याच्यामुळे तू काय असं करू नको.
हे भाकड जनावर सोडून द्या आता.
Forget your scrub cattle. Get Jersey cows and buffaloes instead. Bring them cut grass and feed them in the cow shed. Only then will our afforestation program be effective. Otherwise, our efforts will be wasted and water will never be retained this way.
तरी पण ते चोरून लपून चारायचे.
Even after that, people used to graze the cattle on the sly. We found a solution for that. We ourselves started guarding the site. The members who lived close by went themselves to keep a watch. If we noticed cow dung, we would trace the cattle like you would trace a tiger. We would follow it ourselves and see. And after that, we have even gone to the owner of the cattle and warned them that if you don't stop, we will fine you.
दवून दिला की तुम्ही जर हे केलं तर तुम्हाला अजून आम्ही दंडात घालू.
1-2-4 लोकांनी बरेचसे अडथळे घातले.
Some people created quite a few problems. They left their cattle to graze on our sites. Only 3-4 people. So then the Forest Protection Committee and the Forest Department together brought those cattle into the village and put them in a pen.
गावामध्ये आणले आणि गावामध्ये आणले आणि कोंडवाड्यामध्ये घातले. आणि मग कोंडवाड्यातून पावत्या एका जनावराला आम्ही 100 रुपये.
We charged a fine of 100 rupees per animal. We drew receipts and deposited the money with the Gram Panchayat. This happened a couple of times.
घडलं ते
And if they still didn't listen to us,
आणि शेवटी
we filed a case with the police.
आम्ही केस केली.
The police put pressure on those people.
पोलिसांनी बी बराच
Though we never took it beyond this, we sorted it out at the village level only.
खालीच येतात मेटामेटिक
People realized the importance of our work. And from then onwards, they stopped grazing on our site.
जरा चराईबंदी एकदम म्हणजे लोकांनी बंद केली. पोलीस आवश्यक नाही, गाव एकजूट झाली.
The police is not necessary if the village is united. If everyone is concerned and watchful, if the Forest Protection Committee is also alert, then you don't need the police. And after all, to what extent can the police help? Secondly, the police are not directly concerned. And the police fine them. The fine goes to the government. How does it help us? It's of no use to the village.
त्याचा गावाला काही उपयोग होणार नाही.
चराईबंदी झाल्यानंतर
After we banned grazing, the grass cover increased on the hills. People started cutting grass and they would feed the cattle at home. Initially, people hadn't realized the importance of this work. Slowly, they were able to see the usefulness, that it is useful to ban grazing, and the committee's decision is correct. We fined even for the sheep. We personally went to them and pressurized them to pay the fine. We caught them red-handed and fined them. They started to complain and said that we should allow them to graze their animal. Then we made them understand that if you graze your animal, you alone would benefit. And if you don't, the entire village would develop. The entire village will get fodder.
सगळ्या गावाला चारा मिळेल.
आता सध्या तर आमच्या गावामध्ये असं झालंय की मेंढ
As of now, in our village, there are no sheep. People have sold them off.
एखाद्याचं एकदम
It is certainly difficult if you take away somebody's means of livelihood.
पण ते हळूहळू
But we had begun very early when we began the capacity building phase in 1995. So at that time, we had begun to talk to them, reason with them. They did listen to us. Later they sold off their sheep and bought goats.
आणि समजावून सांगून तर त्यांनी बी ऐकलं. पुढं पुढं मग त्यांनी ते सोडून त्यांनी काय ते काय मेंढर ऐकून त्यांनी सुद्धा शेळ्या घेतल्या. हे 4 लोक जी 2-4 कुटुंब होते
These 3-4 families had taken microfinance from water organization. We had included them on the watershed management committee.
तर ह्या 4 लोकांना
They were given loans too.
बसवलं होतं आणि त्याच्यात
They started poultries.
मग त्यांना पण कर्ज त्यांनी कुक्कुटपालन योजना केली होती. पाणी लोटाच्या पूर्वी ग्रामसभा
Before the watershed development project started, the Gram Sabha used to be held quite rarely, about once a year, during the time of the annual village fair.
In the Gram Panchayat or village council meeting, it was the Sarpanch and the Upa Sarpanch who would speak mainly.
पूर्वी कुठं होतं ते हे सुद्धा माहिती नव्हतं.
We did not even know where the meetings of the Gram Sabha used to take place. It used to be in any obscure corner of the village and we never really knew what was happening in those meetings. But ever since our watershed project started, we began to have the Gram Sabha meetings on a regular basis in the temple.
रोख सोख आम्ही मंदिरात घेऊ लागलो.
पण त्या
For any collective decision that has to be taken, we hold a Gram Sabha.
आता म्हणजे महिला बी घेऊ शकतात मीटिंग.
And now both men and women conduct meetings. When we announce the meeting on the mic, everybody comes. Like if there is a drought or if some developmental work has to be taken up in the village. For example, there was a meeting on the 25th of the last month about water, whether the water supply to the village is good.
व्यवस्थित येतच नाही गावात.
Because of the efforts of the watershed committee, people understood the importance of the village council, Gram Sabha, and they became wiser. Earlier, a few people would gather once in a year perhaps, and they would decide the agenda for the meeting. Hardly any villagers attended the meetings, but now the entire village attends.
महिलामध्ये बदल झाली म्हणजे
The change in the women is that now they come together. They attend the meetings. They are running the saving groups. This didn't happen before. That is, the village wasn't united. The women were not united. They were into their own things and now we are all together. They are ready to listen to each other. When loans are given, if the women ask you to pay the installments on time, then you pay them. Even for the cooking gas connection, the women have cleared the loan. So they take the entire responsibility. Ever since the saving groups were started when this project began, everyone has been cooperating. They listen to each other.
ऐकलं मी महिलांनी एकोणारीचं.
म्हणजे पहिला ते देशमुख घराणं असायचं त्या
Earlier, women from Deshmukh family had their face covered with their pallu. If a guest came to the house, she sat behind a curtain and talked to him from there. She never came before men folk. And now the same lady, whenever needed, comes to the temple for meetings. Any of us can talk in a meeting, holding a mic in front of a public gathering with loudspeakers. or in the school on 15th of August or 26th January. Before, none of the women came to the school apart from the school teachers. But now all of us attend the functions or the Gram Panchayat. Even if we have guests from outside, they are confident of speaking using mics. They celebrate 15th August and 26th January among themselves.
हे पण साजरा करतात महिलाच.
महिला पुष्कळ आमची महिला पुरुषाबरोबर काम करू शकते सध्या.
The important thing is that women can now work along with the men. All kinds of jobs. On the farm, in the village, and at home. Everything. In case the man is away for some work, the woman can now milk the cow and bring it to the dairy. I mean, she does not feel incapable of handling any job.
काही महिला वेळा घेतले त्याच्यातून वेळ आमची माहिती त्यांना सांगितली.
We went to Mahila Mela, the women's fair. We told other women about ourselves. We asked them about their work, if they had done something remarkable. We learnt from that and we shared our knowledge with them. So they learnt a few things from us as we did from them. We enjoyed the interaction. It was such fun talking. Our discussions happened in a really congenial atmosphere.
ती चर्चा चालू असताना इतकं म्हणजे खेळीमेळीचंच वातावरण असायचं तिथं.
लहानपणापासून फार तारमळ होती माझी.
Right from my childhood, I've seen difficult times. It was really bad. I had to work on the fields ever since I was so small. Then slowly things got a bit better, but still it was very tough. I could eat only on the day when I worked. If I didn't work, I went hungry.
असं करता करता बरेच दिवसानंतर मग आमच्या गावात हे पाणलोट क्षेत्र आलं.
This went on for a long time. Then the watershed project started. And we really benefited from this project in many ways. I mean, while working on it, I even managed to buy a plot of land. And as the project carried on, we benefited in so many ways. I earned a lot of money. From that money, I bought some land. And on that land, I dug a well. And because of that, I could plant pomegranates. I earned the money from my labor. You earn according to how much labor you put in. You earn less if you have to work little, and more if you have worked a lot. I have earned about 80 to 90,000 rupees in last 5 years.
सुतारकाम चालू आहे.
I still do carpentry work when I get it. It is seasonal work. For about 2 months during the monsoon, I earn a lot during that time.
तेवढ्या टायमात ते काम चालू असतं. तेवढ्या टायमात पैसे भरपूर मिळते तो.
शेती नाही आम्हाला.
We do not have farming land, so we go as daily laborers to different places. Like if anybody needs labor, we take up such work if the pay is good. Otherwise, it's difficult. Now that we have a savings group, I took a loan and started this business. I took 10,000 rupees from the saving group and started this. We make a little something from this.
याच्यामध्ये काही परडतं आता.
बचत गट सुरू झाल्याच्या नंतर मग मी 9 ते 8 महिने झाले. त्याच्यानंतर मग आम्ही
After the saving group was started, about 8 to 9 months later, we took loan from Watershed Project. Before that, even I used to work as a farm laborer and used to get 30 rupees a day. Then I thought that since we have a tailoring business, why not try to learn it? I liked it. After that, as I didn't have a machine, I took a loan of 5,000 rupees for it and paid back the installments regularly. If I stitch a couple of blouses, I earn 40 rupees. Earlier when I worked the whole day, I earned 30 rupees. And now I earn that much in an hour's time. So I decided that this is what I wanted to do. Now I take up many tailoring jobs for women. And the profits have been really good. Later I thought, since we didn't have a machine to do piku fall for a sari in the village, I took some more loan and bought the special machine required for that. After that, I started a general stores. Now you are seeing it yourself. I took a loan of 10,000 rupees for it. I have paid back that loan. I have really benefited. I'm really very happy with what I have. Of course, the expectations grow, but we will keep moving on.
ते तर करणारच आहेत आम्ही.
We profited a lot from this program. We started a business of bombil, fish. It did well.
बरोबर चालला.
शेतीमध्ये पाणी लोटाचा घे फायदा थोडा जरी पाऊस झाला
The real benefit of watershed is for farming. Even if it rains a little, there is some crop. The water didn't flow away and the soil retained it, and we had reasonably good crops. In short, all of us got some work because of watershed development project. Everybody benefited, and now that the work has stopped, everyone is sitting at home.
झाले आता सर्व लोक घरी बसले
वर असे बंधारे झाले त्याच्या नेटाने आम्ही
We built bunds on the hillside and planted trees with the help of that water. I don't know about others, but we still have plenty of water in our well. And in spite of the current crisis, we know that we are surely going to benefit from the watershed development. There will be plenty of water in our wells in the future too. We have to care for the plants at the moment, but it will help us in the future. The trees will certainly bear fruit. As it happened over the past 2-3 years, it is bound to happen next year. And it happened because of the watershed project. Could we have planted 2,000 trees otherwise? Because they were with us, we could do it.
पण कसं आहे त्यांनी आम्हाला साथ दिल्यामुळं आम्ही ते केले.
2 वर्ष लागले CBP एरियाला कंप्लीट करायला.
It took us 2 years to complete the CBP area work. People benefited a lot from that. Then everybody wanted that program. There was a lot of demand for it. Because the work in all the areas is complete, the water level has increased.
झाल्यामुळं अगदी आता पाण्याची पातळी वाढली. फळबाग योजना झाली गावामध्ये.
The fruit trees orchard scheme was successful in our village. At the moment, I think around 20 to 25,000 pomegranate trees have been planted. This was possible because of the watershed program. And there are about 15 to 20,000 sweet lime trees and around 20,000 orange trees. In this way, there has been a lot of plantation here over the past couple of years. We would need at least 4 tempos to carry the current pomegranate crop.
पीक आहे सध्या. छोटे असल्यामुळे आता पुढच्या वर्षापासून.
And because of that, people have a lot of cash. They don't have to go outside the village to get work anymore. They have the capital right here.
पैसे मिळू लागले त्याच्यामुळं बाहेर गाव जाण्याचा संबंध बी तुटला. लोकांचं भांडवल भरपूर घरीच झालं.
पाणी लोटामुळे खूप आमचे फायदे झाले होते
We had many benefits because of watershed development program. When nature was with us, we benefited even more. Today, once again we have a drought. And we think the government should once again think about us.
पाणलोट क्षेत्र समिती जी आहे, the village watershed committee is going to pay special attention to the overall development of the village.
If watershed project hadn't taken place, there was no one we could have put our demands to. We had no one to talk to. We felt a little encouraged because of watershed project. We have someone we can discuss our problems with.
नाचत नाही रे. हात वळत नाही ना. कवळा हात काय कंदीवर राहते. थोडं मोकळं फिरू दे मध्ये. उगत तसंच ठेव फक्त. तसंच ठेव. मग घेतलं मोडून मध्ये. Daddy.